Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. We're starting right away with a cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 11. In row 1 I'm gonna make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in every chain. For row 2 I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in every stitch till the end of the last stitch. Till the end. In the last stitch I'm gonna do 2 single crochet. So single crochet in every stitch. In the last stitch 2 single crochet. I'm gonna repeat the same for row 3 to 5. So row 2, 3, 4 and 5 I'm gonna make single crochet in every stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. In row 6 I'm gonna start working in one side only, so I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And again I'm gonna repeat that for 15 more times. So sorry, not 15 more times. From row 6 to row 15 I'm So once done, I'm gonna fasten off and I'm gonna join my yarn in the other side where I'll do the same. So I'll join with a slip knot, then I'll chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch and single crochet in the next 4 stitches total. And I'm gonna repeat again from row 6 to 15, 1 single crochet in every stitch in the next 4 stitches. Now once I complete the second panel, what I'm gonna do is chain 7 and join the other side of the panel with a single crochet, and I'm gonna single crochet till the end. For the next row I'm gonna chain 1 and make 2 single crochet together. So we're gonna start the decrease now. So insert your hook in the first stitch, pull through, insert in the second stitch, pull through and pull through all. That's the first decrease, and I'm gonna do single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. Be careful when you make the single crochet in the middle where the chain is, so you don't make mistakes. And for the next row from 19 to 21, I'm gonna repeat row 18, means chain 1, 2 single crochet together and single crochet in every stitch. That's still row 21. So the rows are counting from the beginning of the work till the end of it. And that's the zero complete. It's as easy as it looks, nothing complicated. You just have to fasten off and start work from another side, then join together. I hope you find the tutorial easy, and let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, take care, bye bye.